is Alexander Warner, and I'm 12 years old. I'm super excited for today. I'm hoping it's gonna be a good experience and it'll help me with my career, and I wanna thank you for that. I'm in 6th grade right now. I started playing guitar, I would say probably back in 2018, and I was 8 and a half then. When I first learned Dream Rights, it was the first day of the opening, and we saw that post, and we were like, this might be something to kind of look forward to and go to and try it out and see how we like it. And then we really liked it, and then we kept going. Practice in a day, I'd say 3.5 hours. What was the question again? Buddy Guy is a super big idol to me right now. Sometimes I even watch multiple videos on his rig rundowns. Jimi Hendrix, B.B. King, and Kingfish. One of my biggest idols is Stevie Ray Vaughan, and I watch a lot of his sound checks and all of his studio videos. So I've always wanted to be in a recording studio. My biggest dreams is to kind of inspire other people, become famous, and kind of change people's minds on music and kind of give them a new world of music.
That's all I need, bud.
All right.
Cool. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.